Hey guys, in this tutorial I will show you guys how to download and install VirtualBox on Windows 10. So first open Google Chrome. I have already downloaded and type VirtualBox. Open the first link. You can download VirtualBox from this link. Minimize this link. I have already downloaded in my download folder. So I will double click on the exe file of VirtualBox. Now click on next, next, click on yes. Now click on install. So this is the complete installation of VirtualBox. I am using 6.0.6 version of VirtualBox. Now click on yes. It will copy new file to the installation folder. It asks would you like to install this device software, so click on install. Now the installation is almost done. Click on finish. This is the welcome screen of VirtualBox.